This may come up for order, my lord, a compulsion matter.
When?
What?
When?
This week, my lord, any day this week.
This motion is matter which year?
This is up to 23.
Have it after
My lord. And my lord, item number, my lord, 50. Yes, 50.
50.
50.
Yes.
This is the first has kind of, it is a motion matter, my lord. So my pray it may be taken after motion matter.
Contempt matter.
Yes.
Contempt comes in orders now. You have to wait. All contempt
Order.
fresh matters.
Fine.
63. Yes.
May please listed for motion on 18.
Motion new matter.
Motion.
I beg to mention item number 38.
38.
Lordship, in this case, earlier scanned copy of the record was called for,
Yes.
but office note dated 12/10/2023
That real-
reflect that
real-
it
real
is
matter.
Lordship.
Yes.
So
What-
Lordship may issue reminder and
What is the office?
Lordship, it is NDPS.
No, what is the office note? What is the office note you are referring?
Lordship, office note stated that scanned copy of the LCR has not been received. 12/10/23.
Order? Yes. Email for the daughter. Yes, we thought people, we're joining this matter, fixing it up. We're observing some. This court filed order dated 25/9/2020 while issuing notice had called for the scanned copy of the case record from the court of the special judge Karimganj in connection with special within NDPS case number 80 of 2020. Today the next office note dated 10/10/2023. However, reflect that the requisition by email was issued only on 10/10/2020, resulted, the scan copy of the case records have not been reached, have not been received till date. Raised for judicial to note the effort fact and ensure that orders pertaining to requisitioning of any record are to be transmitted immediately. This case on
Lordship, if possible on 19, otherwise after vacation.
9
Lordship.
on, but this is assigned to this bench.
Yes.
May not be there in court. Let us try it on 16th.
Like this.
Reminder requisition be issued immediately. Immediate notifying the next. Yes.
So I make the bench for listing or motion on the paper for tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship, sir, I beg to mention item 28 after vacation.
28.
Yes, lordship.
Yes.
Simply,
What is your prayer?
no, lordship, I beg to mention, your lordship.
What is your mention? Tell us.
Item,
What do you want?
item 28, lordship,
What do you do
after day, lordship,
after
adjournment.
the vacation?
Yes.
Tell that. I mentioned 28. That will not be enough. On prayer made on behalf of the matter is adjourned. Will listed after.
Simply,
Mayor, please, your lordship. I pray for adjournment of item number 17 of this.
17
Yes, your lordship. Let it be listed after vacation.
on the prayer of speaking at the council. List after the vacation. APSC. Anybody APSC?
I have informed
madam.
already. I have informed.
Yes, after vacation.
May
Alright.
one motion matter, my lord, may I pray for listing tomorrow? Please. May I please, your lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 30, my lord, 30, my lord. My lord, their matter pertains to, my lord, the promotion of the petitioner has been kept under seal cover due to pendency of a criminal case, my lord. And in respect of that criminal case, a criminal petition has been preferred before this honorable court and judgment is likely to come, my lord. So I pray for that, my lord, this
After the vacation.
after vacation on a fixed date, my lord.
PTC, PWD. PTC tonight. On a prayer made on three DP border. Then council for the petition submit that there are certain developments in this case and accordingly praise for an adjourned. List of the
My lord, may I pray for a date, my lord, because if
motion, man.
no admission, my lord.
On 16th of November. No, not on 7th, 8th of November.
Obliged, my lord, deeply obliged.
and so item letter for listing tomorrow, my lord, that was fixed for tomorrow, my lord, admission matter, my lord. But you also heard the last week, my lord, the matter.
What is the matter?
Matter regarding selection by APST, my lord, 2017 matter, my lord. Regarding selection, my lord.
Selection of as what?
Lecturer post, my lord.
Put as
I would, you also heard on to 12-10, my lord, and fiction for 17. But yet to be listed, my lord.
this week it's the motion day. That's my problem.
For admission, my lord,
Okay, you keep it, we'll try, but we're not sure. We're not taking disposal matters will be avoiding.
my lord, Mr. K. Paul, who are appearing in this case, my lord.
Oh, that matter. Sanskrit.
That matter, my lord.
Ayurvedic college.
Yes, my lord.
Why is it tomorrow?
For production of selection records, my lord, by
Okay, okay,
Yes.
that we have. Okay.
May I please, I beg to mention a matter for motion on Wednesday. But when item 33, I sought consent to take adjournment. I did not receive consent from one of the connected matters. Therefore, permit me to mention.
Okay, let us reach.
Now,
let-
at the time of reaching, I will mention.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing after tomorrow, lordship.
For
Motion.
motion.
Lordship,
Two matters.
Today we have filed that matter.
Doesn't matter. Two matters. Vote for motion.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention my item number 52. The ma-
52.
Yes, the
Yes.
matter may kindly be adjourned for a day.
Taking the consent of the other side.
Yes, as senior counsel, Miss B. Boyan
Okay, so, on a prayer made on behalf of applicant class petition. Matter is adjourned. Listed after the vacation.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I'm on the prayer for adjournment. Item number 40.
40.
May it be placed after vacation.
40.
Yes, lordship. 40.
PWD. An act. The APSC. 40. On a prayer made on behalf of the list after the vacation.
make please, your lordship. Lordship, in these matters, in item 1, we have filed an affidavit. Item 2, we are filing it today, lordship. We are giving them a copy today, lordship, during the course of the day. And my lord, the third, we are awaiting instruction, lordship. Therefore, my lord, some time may be given. The second affidavit.
P. K. Mazumdar, Learned Counsel, in the and C. Goswami, Learned Counsel. In third, who's that? Is C. Goswami. And the third, Serbia.
A Begum.
Today, Learned Counsel. Sarah, P.
Elementary education.
Learned Counsel. Elementary. Sub. That. While. Are filed. Instruct. Private. Third case. And I will file
Yes,
it.
no,
Will
file
not-
it.
will file.
Or not yet.
Will file on.
Later, I think it comes.
So, in a- if you request it to the text in view of the above, the matter are adjourned after to enable filing of remaining affidavit. There are interim order passed earlier for my effect.
My lord, any date subject to convenience, lordship.
These matters are assigned to this bench.
Lordship.
Yes. Then we'll have it after 4th of March.
Lordship.
First week. Have it on
23rd, lordship, please.
20.
Lordship.
28.
May I please your lordship, another similar matter kindly maybe take along his lordship.
See, these are matters assigned. We cannot. Let us pass final orders here, then we can.
Well,
Maybe before lordship.
I have taken some instructions. Some development is going on. My lord, this list, category list after 2 days.
After
Drone after this, okay, good.
when do you want?
Uh,
Tomorrow?
Immediately after vacation, my lord, some development is going on.
2019 9 matter, my lord.
2009?
Yes.
WBC print.
Yes,
Writ
but
petitioner dies in 2009.
2009.
His husband. compassionate petition.
Competition report.
Yes, my lord.
9,010. How are you?
Second round of litigation, my lord.
Instruction.
My lord.
Three. The question standing counsel.
Right.
What is the purpose for this granted time to obtain necessary instruction? This count when
Immediately on opinion. 8 or 9.
8.
8.
Third.
Applies, my lord.
May I please- Lordship, item number 5 to 11, Lordship. The petitioner is Lordship, the casual employees Lordship, and the Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve Lordship. Now my case is that Lordship. The person Lordship, all other petitioners have not completed 10 years of their service. Lordship. So they doesn't come under the purview of Upinda's case Lordship, which was earlier decided by this Honorable Court Division Bench Lordship, and not under the purview of the Uma Devi case Lordship. It was decided by the apex court. Lordship. Now there is no even such guidelines for those persons who are
Yes,
still.
Well, notice must go because otherwise, when the players are very inequal, they are seeking regulation, they are seeking pay parity
pay parity. Two issues are there.
and
Lord.
also
The regularization, without
Regulation
following,
passes one,
without
my lord.
following,
Yes, ma'am.
Uma Devi 3, you cannot.
is-
If they fulfill Uma Devi, that's a different matter.
My,
And if they do not fulfill Uma Devi 3, then when
My
they
lord.
should come in,
My lord.
at least you have to give them the minimum.
My lord.
But first, you have to factually ascertain
Factually.
whether the projection made by them are factually correct.
Lordship, the interim may be continuous. So one,
What interim?
one team is not to terminate my service.
Is there
Lordship.
any apprehension?
No, my lord. Basically, they are challenge. They are
No, from your side,
no, my lord.
are you taking any steps?
No, my lord.
We'll record his statement.
Lordship, there is one oral
No, we
lordship.
record his statement, that will be better.
Similar matter was there, lordship, before.
Be for a for petition. Petitioners in these cases, petitioners claim to be working as casual workers
Lordship
in the Kaziranga National Park
and Tiger, Reserve.
and have been serving for more than 10 years,
Not more than 10 years, lordship.
not more than 10
No, not complete
Oh.
10 years, lordship, of the petition.
years,
Some,
right?
some,
They are seeking the benefit of the direct asked by this court in the case of State of Assam versus Pentas report. The learned counsel further apprehends that in the meantime, the service of the petition may be terminated. That three Coco understanding concept for department, however, submit that there is no such move to terminate the petition. That note is returnable by 6 for all Mr.
For my lord.
Coco is still understanding concept
All,
for department except on behalf
all,
of all respondents. That extra copy of the is served on him by tomorrow. Can you three Ms. Bora, the learned counsel raised for an interim order. And in fact, this matter has also
Look, that they had a better case in case they have prayed that they should be given more weightage because we are floating advertisement for recruitment of regular basis.
this was not preferential clauses in the
So,
advertisement,
they
lordship.
could have got a weightage and that could have been more proper.
No, there is no, there is no.
this is a different case of
Well, it's not different case, but my lord, interim orders are not precedents, my lord. It will be ভালো।
Please, an order is
The election
26/7/2020 passed by the court in 4094 of 2020, which stated which is submitted to this limit. Be that as it may, however, Coco dispute the Coco will understanding on dispute the above proposition by state. Cases are not identical. Be that as it may, since a statement has been made by the understanding from direct till the next returnable date, no coercive action
Well.
of termination be taken against.
Lordship, deeply.
We retain this or what? We don't. We retain this.
My lord will keep this. Always.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this is a case for a compassionate appointment. The father of the petitioner died in 2010, my lord. At the relevant time, he was minor, my lord. His mother applied for appointment under compassionate ground, and that application was not considered. At that stage, petitioner filed an, he was eligible to apply, and accordingly he applied. His application was not considered by the DLC
When was it?
from Kachar, my lord.
No, when was it? When was this step?
My application from is 2019, 18. And- Yes, my lord. So, my lord, due to want of post,
my application was not considered, then I prefer a repetition before this honorable court at page, my lord, 24, annexure 3.
Hmm.
And after some time, my lord, we have withdrawn the repetition with a liberty to approach the, my lord, Deputy Commissioner Kachar, my lord. Then annexure 4, page 27, my lord. District level committee has recommended my name, page 30.
Yes, that we have seen.
Yes, ma'am.
What,
Pa-
what is the reason that you are less than 80?
Because at the relevant time, his petitioner father died. He was, my lord, below 18, my lord. Then, my lord, page 31, my lord, annexure 5, state
At
level
the
committee has.
age of at the time of the application,
Yes, my lord.
when did you apply?
2018, my lord.
18, you were not 18 years.
Yes, my lord, 18 years.
Let us see your,
That I have stated, my lord, in paragraph 3.
let us see your, what is your date of birth?
On 7/1/2019, submitted a fresh application before the Deputy Commissioner Qatar for appointment on compassion of ground, my lord.
When did your mother apply?
That date, my lord, I have not given. Page annexure 3, I have stated. Paragraph 3, I have stated, my lord.
Initially, mother applied.
Initially, matter.
Right then, rejected.
Not, my lord. Not considered. Either way. In the meantime, petitioner become eligible and he applied for the, my lord, compassionate.
What is your date of birth?
That I am providing, my lord. Date of
When did you apply?
in, my lord, 7/1/2019. Paragraph 4, I have stated.
Let us see your rejection.
Rejection, my lord, page, my lord, 34.
34.
34, serial number 22.
Your name is Mahmood Khan Laskar.
Yes, ma'am. Age at the time of application was less than 18 years. Para 16, he referred, of OM, my lord.
Yes.
Para 16 of OM, 16 of OM, my lord, page 40.
Yes.
Page 40.
Yes.
The
Upper
upper age limit could be relaxed whenever found to be necessary as per existing government policy. The lower age limit shall, however, in no case be relaxed below 18 years. Age eligibility shall be determined with reference to the date of application and not the date of appointment. The state level committee shall be competent to grant relaxation of upper age.
That is okay. When did you apply? What was the age of your age of the petitioner at the time of?
That,
Give us the date of birth.
yes, my lord, that is what I am talking.
Page 30.
30.
My name is mentioned 7/10/19.
7/10/97. So, my lord, he is in 2019. He was more than 21 years. My 7/10/2097. 1997. My lord.
But your application is
Of 2019, my lord.
Hmm?
Of 2019.
no.
Yes, my lord.
Your initial application was 12/12/2010.
That is by his mother, my lord. At that time, he was minor. Thereafter, he submitted. I have stated in paragraph 4 that it is stated that at the time of expiry of the father of the petitioner,
Is it necessary to wait to attain majority by an incumbent?
my lord, in a similar circumstances, the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, in a case, my lord, 2006, 9 SCC, page 195, my lord.
2006.
9 SCC, page 195.
195.
195, my lord.
Name?
Name, my lord, Syed Khadim Hussain versus State of Bihar and others, my lord. In this case, what happened? Initially, the mother of the petitioner applied. Her application was not considered. Then, my lord, he entered into the my lord, age limit and he filed application. His application was also not considered. Then, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court allowed this petition. My lord.
Now, was it a case that at the time of death he was a minor?
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph?
He was 13 years. Dead. Okay.
But this rules which are holding this
Yes.
are otherwise. Can you say that it's not at the time of appointment, the consideration of appointment?
Yes.
It's at the time of filing of the appointment.
Yes.
So how will this law apply? This is said because there were no rules.
Yes.
You may be correct in contending that here he was a minor.
Minor at
But-
that time.
What is held rejection of the appellant's application was not justified as at the time of rejection. Appellant had attained 18 years.
Yes, there is a case also. In my case, at the time of rejection by the my lord SLC, my case was recommended by the my lord DLC. My lord. My case was rejected by the SLC when I am major.
At the time of consideration by the DLC, where you are major.
Yes, my lord. My name was recommended.
Mr. Bora, this reason is
Lordship also,
appealing to, but you had other reasons.
Your Lordship, I just have one particular submission as to delay. Because if Your Lordship peruses to page number 30, the mother submitted the
No,
application.
Mr. Bora, that is what we have said.
Yes.
You had good reasons, other reasons, which you could have cited. You have
That
not done.
That is. I agree.
Why do you go to some irrelevant factor that he was not even major at the time of,
Exactly.
and this appears to be a mechanical exercise. 12/12, he never applied. 12/12, in 2010, his mother had applied.
Apply.
And he applied after around 9 years. That was good enough reason that after 9 years, there is no question of any
There's no
completion effort.
Yes.
You reject on some other consideration.
And that is non-application of mine, the fact that
In
I
fact,
am major at the time of consideration.
if I have to say in all fairness, Your Lordship, his mother could have approached Your Lordship for non-consideration. As he has stated in paragraph number 3 that his case was not her case was not considered. He could have approached then. And now, after 13 years, Your Lordship, the whole purpose of compassionate appointment doesn't remain.
You're correct. That way you're correct. But this rejection does not appear to be correctly done. We'll issue notice to file an affidavit, then we'll file.
Very well.
Who has approved this with a claim for compassionate but that case of the that Nurul Alam Asgar was working as a junior assistant in of circle of Durban Revenue Circle,
Yes.
Makachar, had died on 24,010. To the mother of the patient had applied for appointment on compassionate. There was no information regarding any consideration. The petitioner was a minor at this. Immediately on attaining major, he had made an application for completion on 7/1/2009.
Good.
It was also recommended by District Level Kachar. How by him to sign date
That date
8,000 of State Level the application of the bill as the reason cited, however, is that at the time of application, the petition was a minor. The Chaudhary Salary Council has up that the record itself to that date of birth of the petition is 7/10/1997. And there- At the time of application on 7/1/2009, he was moved. The Bora Telangana State Council, however, that the entire of competition paper would not exist if an appointment is made on such ground after more than 23 years of the death,
my lord, 13 years. Now it is
13 years of the death. He, however, submits that the reason assigned in the chart does not support the fact, and therefore of the detailed instruction that would be written by the work Telangana State Council for this. Circle of
All right.
public.
your book. Koi. This koi. Koi. What is this matter?
If otherwise, it's a compassionate appointment matter. And the person died in 2003. Such after that, he filed a representation in 2013. And now he has approached your lordship.
David tomorrow,
So that
non-APS was petitioner on call, whereas the state represented by by the Bora State Council. The Bora, however, points out that those claims is for appointment on completion of ground. The death was there, and the representation itself was submitted for the first after more than 10 years. That with it, that with it, and in the one and in the tomorrow.
In my lord, or they be taken up together, my lord. Yeah, my lord, what happened, my lord? The petitioner was covered by the notification, my lord. Notification of 2002, my lord. Lordship, can you have a look before coming to the
Yes.
Before coming to the merit of the case, my lord, lordship kindly have a look the notification by which I am governed, my lord.
Notice yet to be issued. Oh.
No, my lord, notice was
Here in this notice is not issued.
not issued. I have served the extra copy, my lord.
Well, some preliminary objection was there regarding the merits of the case. Well, these all are regularized employees. And my lord, they are covered by division bench judgment.
No,
This
my lord, that is
2002 notification won't help him, my lord, because their services are different now. On 2003, my lord, they were regularized. And my lord, there's a division bench judgment of this honorable court which says, my lord, since they are regularized, there is not a feeder cadre, they are ex-cadre. So ex-cadre person cannot claim promotion.
my lord. That's why, my lord, I have insisted your lordship to have a look the notification.
Now,
Division
the
bench
post where you are presently working,
PRP.
are these posts anchored posts?
Lordship will see the notification, my lord.
This
That will be clear, my lord. Serial number 2, my lord. And there, the division bench is about, my lord, notification of 2005. Lordship, these regular posts are created by the name against each work charge employee, and those posts will be abolished automatically as and when the concerned employee retired, promoted, or died.
What's your interpretation
My lord, they are regularized in 2003. my lord.
regarding this clause?
Yes, my lord, I'm coming to that point. This is the notification release of 2002, my lord. Once he, my lord, is regularized under 2003, 2002 won't help him, my lord. This is a totally different set, my lord.
Where is the notification is relying upon?
He relies on 2000, it's page 25, my lord, Annex 1,
25. 25.
25,
Yes, my lord.
It's 2003 just notification.
Please read.
My lord, in persons or additional chief engineer letter so and so, my lord, date 2003, and under secretary to the government of Assam so and so, and by this letter so and so, following work charge employees of different categories are under this division are hereby regularized in the scale of pay as shown below for so and so effect, my lord. And other than that, my lord, there's
And this
nothing.
is for 2003 notification is for whom?
My lord, this is the notification.
Creation of
What I understood, my lord, division bench
Just a minute.
was, na? Sure. Go to go, some people. Work over.
But these, see your, what Mr. Gogoi is submitting, that on 19/12/2003, your services were already regular. And now this notification you are trying to now rely upon of 23 October.
My lord, immediately after, my lord, that, my lord, after regulation, my lord, the government has notified, my lord, and similarly circumstances persons have been already promoted. My
What is the point you're trying? This
I'm trying
at
to
page
make,
25, it is 1912.
my lord, this,
19/12/03.
these all posts are personal.
No, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
But 1912 is pursuant to this.
Yes,
They have not
23
brought in
to
record, my lord. They are
2310.
they handed the over to
It
lordship.
appears that this projection may be correct. Posts were
But that, my
created,
lord, it
then
needs
they
to
were
be brought on
regularized.
record.
my lord,
That is the chronology. You file an additional affidavit.
my lord, I'm sorry. Actually, what happened, my lord, lordship kindly see the second page, my
Yes.
lord. It
Mm.
is not readable. So our whole night we have typed it.
Whole night for one page.
No, not only this, my lord, until 12:30, my lord, my junior brother was.
How could you come to the court?
My lord, I came, my lord, and they go at 1 o'clock every day.
And
My
that apart, my lord, notice have to go.
1 o'clock, do you actually work or
yes,
something
my
else?
lord, my junior brothers, both of them, we work
Not
together.
something else.
No,
I
every day.
suppose, my lord,
Every day, my lord.
Work or something else. Some other work.
Some other works, my lord. My wife is though lawyer, my lord. She looks after home matters, and I look after, my lord, the chamber matters. my
We
lord.
also know something about chambers. What happens?
And right from my beginning, my lord, we used to work till late night.
and that apart, my lord,
Let them file affidavit, my lord.
regulation order what he has annexed, my lord, it's from the office of the.
Okay, you
executive
we
engineer.
issue notice to
Notice
file an
of-
additional
Lordship,
affidavit.
I'll file also, let them file affidavit also.
No, you file the additional
Let him
affidavit.
come with an
Then
additional
they'll
affidavit.
file. Same order will be covering
Well,
all these.
Yes, sir, all
All-
three cases.
Shri G.I. Borpe, first Shri G.I. Borpe, learned counsel for the petitioners in these cases. The grievance of the
No,
petitioner
Regulation or
is with respect to the issue of promotion. They submit that by an office order dated 9/12/2003, the petitioners were regularized in their services as sectional assistant of the Khalasi also.
Now Khalasi, my lord, likely to be promoted for pump operator.
No, are among these three, are there any Khalasis? No.
Well,
All
Khalasi.
Christians as sectional assistant.
All Khalasis. Presently holding the post of Khalas.
Sectional assistant and presently holding the post of Khalas. The learned counsel of the petitioner has also placed forward a copy of a communication dated 23/10/2000 by the government to the chief engineer by the department to the chief engineer on the aspect of regular creation of certain numbers of regular and the manner how these posts are treated. The state communication, however, is not part of the report.
Statement is there.
I have another contentious matter. My lord will kindly come to page 25, regulation
No,
order.
we are not allowing this petition
My lord.
to make your content.
Even regulation order is another dispute.
That notice the issue by 6 weeks.
It is time to our right. It to
Executive
Who is
request to find.
pending on the excess note on behalf of all the response.
All yes. Maybe
Let it
finance.
come up.
No, finance.
During this time,
Personal.
for we
Yes, personally.
My lord, I will account for the petitioner submit
Finance.
that report to be done by the to bring on record the communication 23/10/2003 report done put up the affidavit in opposition that may be filed with the response may also incorporate the aspect of Mr. Dhar for whom?
Personal matters. Personal department.
Response number 3.
Three.
3 months.
3 matters.
For 1,
1, 2, 4, my lord. 4,
5,
5.
6, 7, and 8 are the
My lord.
copies you have already given, man. As per
Financial
the law. All copies have been.
you've got copies.
No, my lord, our name is not. That is what I am telling.
For him, I'll have to.
Take the copy and let the
No, my lord, yeah.
yes.
The document I have kept, my given, my lord, be kept as a part of the record.
No, you file affidavit.
Yes, I'll file my lord.
This we are retaining. We give it back, otherwise you'll have to again spend one night.
He had a bypass few days back.
Do you need this? You have a copy.
Yes. Right. I'll arrange it. The note.
Make please, your lordship. The entire issue falls around the qualification which we had obtained through distant education was interpreted by the apex court to be bad in law. Nonetheless,
Then Odisha leave.
yes, Odisha left, but relaxation was given to the extent that if we acquire the education, the qualification under AICT or UGC, then consideration can be given. We did. Now the authorities, without acting upon it, have gone to publish gradation list, which is affecting my position. On the last occasion, there are a number of petitions were filed on this by the same petitioners. Eventually, this is the crux. They are relying on a gradation list, which says now, under altered circumstances, that the benefit to be given from the date of acquiring the qualification. Whereas this was earlier from the date of the degree. In between, they have interpreted it wrongly. Now, in this case, when the last time the matter was moved, it felt that they would get some instructions on
Yes, yes,
what to follow. After apex
Deputy Secretary is requested, my lord, for a further period of 45 days. They are checking the record. And my lord, now
Notice them.
yes, so no DPC is also being held now. So DPC is also a bit far away.
If that is so, his statement may be recorded. 45 days, no DPC. After the writ petition is listed, they may proceed.
Heard as Bonik done counsel. For one petition,
Lordship.
One petition.
for the petition. The petitioner had obtained the BTech degree in civil engineering from the Institute of Advanced Studies in Education, which by distant education mode, which however was held in fact by the Honorable Supreme Court in case reported that irrigation case
Irrigation
Yes,
case.
in
Orissa
2018, 1/468. Orissa Lift, what was the name?
Irrigation Corporation Limited.
Orissa
Orissa Lift Irrigation Corporation Limited versus Ravi Shankar, Patro and others.
It was however observed that if the incumbent in the meantime appeared in examination conducted by AIC and you jointly, they will be given the benefit for continuation in service. That the controversy is with regard to the date of acquiring degree or what
No.
acquiring.
The Honorable Court directed.
Now, have you obtained the degree by AIC?
Yes. We also submitted page 95.
Thereafter?
my lord. Notwithstanding that, jumping over that, they have come across with a
Condition is
a list. my lord. That is
the
affecting us.
petitioner claims that consequent to such word, he has appeared and come out and has been successful in the examination conducted by the AIC anti-UPSC joint. However, by ignoring the aforesaid facts, accreditation is prepared whereby the position of has been erroneously given to many incomes above his name should be that only still under the council also praised for an that would returnable back. Three. He proposed standing council. PhD.
PhD. Respondent one and
Note on behalf of respondent one and rest.
rest, my lord.
Rest we have made a prayer on page 6.
Who will
We have made a prayer page 6. my lord.
who will bear the cost?
So it says, we would give it through the petitioner shall take steps through the office of the R2 my lord. That liberty was sought
From
for.
R2,
R2.
who
So
will
we'll do everything. We just hand over to R2 because they're working under them. That much they will accommodate. my lord. They're working under them. We'll take this through R2. Page 6.
step for service, for stock of step for service of upon respond number 32
62.
is permitted to take in through the office of the respond number
2-1.
Secretary PhD. my lord.
and we go the understanding of submit that and accept such mode of service. Sarah, which got the repair focus the understanding of that there is no immediate there's no DPC is in the office, and
Yes.
therefore there's no cause of any appeal. Considering the from the consideration of therefore what is the part
In the meantime, they also may not go ahead with that.
this town. This week, tell us 20 November.
My lord.
November
20.
20th. of last.
Okay.
May I please? Lordship, here the petitioner Lordship, he was initially appointed under the category Lordship ST plain Lordship. But while he was promoted Lordship, he was promoted under the unreserved category. There were two posts vacant at that time, Lordship, at the time of promotion. But his junior was promoted Lordship in the ST plain category, and he was in the unreserved category. So that he has filed two representations, Lordship. Has been done. So he has approached this court.
You want your promotion to be
In
the
the
category of ST plain.
yes,
My lord, he got his promotion in 2016. He remained silent. Now suddenly, my lord will issue notice. We will, my lord.
Notice here, delay is there, but it's not going to cause any.
Post during that time, my lord, there was no vacant post for STP for promotion, my lord. He was given in a unreserved category, my lord.
Your MMS,
yes, Lord.
but MMS petitioner was initially appointed as LTA in which the public works department
The office of
under
the
the category of SP. However, when he was promoted, the next higher grade of UTA tier was common. The post which he was promoted is an unreserved is unreserved. Is an unreserved. The petitioner has also cited that along with him, one more person junior to him has promoted, who however has been posted in a reserve category. The petitioner also thinks to have submitted two representatives which have not taken into account of that let notice returnable by 3 hard understanding council PWD except of number 1 5 that is the copy that
And may I please? Lord, the matter pertains to the appointment of Kazimir. We have assailed, Lord, annexure 6. That your lordship will find at page number 33. Page 33 is the merit list.
Hmm.
So, my lord,
what are your grounds?
the ground is that, my lord, so far as the qualifications are concerned, my lord. So I am better situated than the person who has been placed on top. Moreover, my lord,
Is it
yes,
based on qualification?
my lord.
Is it based on qualification alone?
No, my lord.
Or is
Yeah,
it a merit-based appointment?
yes, my lord. Actually, so far as the eligibility in the advertisement is concerned, my lord. So he is also found eligible. He is also entitled to appear before the transfer. But my lord, so far as the calculation of the marks are concerned, I am agreed by that, my lord, because they have shown the breakups of the marks, my lord.
Yes, please.
Page 33. On the top, my lord, here is the serial number 1, 2, 3. There are 3 breakups, my lord. So
What
far
is
the
your
total
name?
mark. My name is Aminul Haq. I am
Where?
placed at
Number 3.
number 3, my lord.
And the private respondent,
Number 1, with
Ustav Ali,
Isho Ali.
our respond number
His response number 5, my lord.
5.
My lord.
Yes, what is the problem here?
My lord, so far as the breaks up of mark is concerned, my lord, there are 3 categories, my lord, under which they have calculated the total marks, my lord. The interview was for, my lord, total 50 marks, my lord. If your lordship is perused, my lord, the top of the
Yes, personality 10 marks.
personality and way of presentation, then questions of general knowledge relating to marriage law, child and women welfare, etc. Then questions on duties and responsibility of Qazi MMR. So far as the last 2 is concerned, my lord.
Hmm.
So I am better acquainted and better placed than the respond number 5, because
What
I
is
was,
this?
basis is that, my lord, I was earlier working as the Qazi. I have got that experience. And
How were you working as Qazi?
yes, my lord, earlier, my lord, the Qazi has appointed me as his assistant, my lord, and to that effect, my lord, I have been working since 2016. So by that way, my lord, I was already acquainted with the procedure as well as law relating to marriage, law, women and children. But that experience, the private respondent number is not having. And so far as the my lord, the question and duties of responsibility of Qazi, so that part is also absent so far as the private respondents are concerned. my lord.
No,
Because-
he can be technically
My lord.
better off than you. He must have studied the law. Where is there any criteria for experience? There is no criteria. You're basing your entire case on assumption that you assisted the earlier Qazi
My lord.
and you had gained experience, but experience unfortunately is not a criteria. It cannot be.
Of course, but they have made it the, so far as the breaks up of marks are concerned, my lord.
Yes.
They have made it in that way, my lord. Therefore, I have got
you have not challenged the breaking up, how the breakup has been given.
moreover, my lord, he is a person, he is having some corruption success against him also, my lord.
What?
Because he was never,
was he holding any government post earlier?
because my lord, he was not working at any time as Qazi, my lord. But even then, he used to appoint somebody else, my lord, as Qazi, so projecting him that he is working as the Qazi, my lord. I
Where?
have given also the list.
Where?
Yes, my lord, that your lordship will find at page number 37.
Yes.
Page 37. This letter was written to the sub-registrar,
Who has written?
the earlier, my lord, Qazi, who was working as the Qazi and Muslim marriage registrar, my lord. He has written, if your lordship is pleased to peruse the date, my lord, it is in the 17/9/2016. So he has appointed as many as 11 persons as assistant Qazi, whereas he never acted as the Qazi. So he cannot do that.
What happened to this?
Of course, my lord, after that, what happened, I am not aware of the outcome. But so far as his personality is concerned, my lord, because the post of Qazi as well as, my lord, the Muslim marriage register, it is a very dignified post, my lord, and it requires a person of good reputation and good conduct. My lord. But so far as this certificate, way back in the 2016, my lord, this shows that he has got some, my lord, corrupt practices in his as antecedents.
So is there any culmination of this proceeding? Somebody might give some allegation against her. Does not come the whole truth.
To that
Unless
effect,
it is-
of course, my lord, I do
Unless
not
that
have
is
the,
investigated.
of course,
And it's a competition between 2 persons.
Of
Each of the persons will assert that he's the better or he's the best.
of course, my lord, I admit that, and admittedly, I do not
But,
have the,
do you have any objective metric to show that you are better than him?
so far, my
Giving
lord,
less mark, more marks, not upon the person doing the mark.
and moreover, my lord, that, my lord, he has a bad reputation also. I am honestly submitting, my lord, that after the
You have
the
to
merit
submit
list,
everything honestly. There is
Mila.
no dishonest submission.
my lord,
Is there any dishonest submission?
no, my lord,
All honest
No.
submission.
because when the people, my lord, of the locality came to know that he has been placed on top, my lord, and they had also, my lord, expressed their grievance, my lord, and they also submitted.
Getting signatures is very easy. He have got signatures of 102, he will get signatures of 103.
Milord. Of course.
We have to have some objective material which is lacking. Okay, before the vacations, we will not dismiss this issue notice.
And Milord, so far as,
You have come on a very crucial and calculative time.
of course, Milord, that also I admit, Milord.
You
And
admit-
it's 11, Milord.
You are
On the
admitting
similar
11 system
situation,
notice.
Milord, that
Or-
is
Yeah, Ali,
KLB.
when it comes for the petition. The petitioner was an aspirant in a recruitment process for filling up post of charge as MMR.
MMR, Milord.
For what?
For Matia, Islampur, Gwalpara, Milord.
For the
Page number-
Matia,
Page number 29.
Islampur, under the Matia Revenue Circle, Gwalpara. Full stop. The petitioner who claims worked earlier as the assistant judge submits that under the three heads were marked as not, the assessment has been wrong done as the evidence of the in the figure appears to have been overlooked. Full stop. The petitioner has also made allegations against private company of charging transfer tax and also that the petitioner is supported by the public that let not return Dr. for
1, 2, and 3, Lord.
one as Dr. understanding of the revenue part
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Appear for responsible.
4, I think Dr. can take. If he works with the registrar,
Yes, yes. No, no,
And-
yes.
1 to 3,
District
no, he's not at the deputy committee, he's the registrar.
If deputy register come, they see.
So he works at the deputy registrar, he's
Yeah.
under the revenue part. 1 to 3 and talk of try to put
I'm obliged.
Okay.
May I please, your Lordship. To the termination matter of ARCC, Lordship.
Lord Mayor, all these matters are coming for hearing on 16th. It has already been taken.
16th of November.
November. Lord.
We'll have this, but we'll issue notice.
Lord.
From the M. Rahman.
M. Rahman.
Third Street, M. Rahman. Third North. Fourth. The petitioner claims that pursuant to a selection process in the year 2012, he was appointed the driver under the case and was initially provide the stipend. Subsequently, the salary was enhanced and the petitioner was also entitled to provident fund and leave encashment. However, by action, impute orders, the petitioner has released from the that similar matters are been put forth and date of hearing on 16th of November 2000. that motion. Return a consent of Madam Transport Department.
For what?
Ms. M. Bora. Transport Department. On A, and the 3 and 4, all. 3 and 4,
Yes, my lord. So I
Yeah.
will respond here.
they are personnel, they are officers of ASPC. I Nayak could be a bit.
Yes, Lord.
2, 3,
Uh,
4.
T Nayak, then training council is except from their 3 and 4. That extra copy to be counted by the court. This not 16, 7, along with WPC,
3, 4,
3, 4, double
23.
3, 4,
Double two.
Of?
23.
23. Oh, then your AG is there. Correct. Where is it? Oh, yeah, for the EAPS for whom?
For ASTCL. For
Then we'll record his RM plus.
Obliged, Lord.
May please your lordship, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, the arrest of the petitioner in connection with the, my lord, the FIR, my lord, is the whole basis for issuance of the, my lord, search memo at page 46, my lord. At page 46, the search, my lord, that my lord, search, my lord, you were performing your duties as accounts officer, executive engineer, Buka Khat PhD, you were caught red-handed by the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Department while accepting bribe of rupees 50,000 for release of running bill of amount of rupees so and so against the allotted construction work and Jal Jeevan mission under.
Okay, we have read this.
My lord.
What is the
Now, my submission is that, my lord, this criminal case is, my lord, FIR is of very recent, my lord. He was arrested on 12/4, my lord. In a case, my lord, where inordinate delay in the, my lord, criminal case, then, my lord, obviously that can go parallelly. But here, my lord, first consideration is that, my lord, exactly the genesis of departmental inquiry is the, my lord, FIR. FIR is the detail in the charge in the, my lord, departmental case. So therefore, in some judgments, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court has said, my lord, laid down that,
which one are you relying for?
my lord, Captain
Paul Anthony.
M. Paul, then, my lord, the service Very, and, my lord, State Bank of India versus R.B. Sharma. And therefore, after, my lord, this honorable court also, my lord, recently, Bidhan Saikia case, my lord, I am forwarding, my lord. This, that.
And where is the last latest case?
Yes.
Saying that 1 year you can stop.
My lord.
Have you got that?
Yes, that I have got, not with me, my lord, there, Honorable Justice, my lord, Rishikesh Roy, my lord, that division bench has said for at least for 1 year they should wait. That is the, my
Where is
lord.
the judgment?
Yes, my lord.
Produce the judgment.
That
What
judgment
is the name of the judgment? Tenzin. Tenzin.
That is the recent judgment I read, my lord, but I have not. Huh? Now, Honorable High Court, my lord, recently that on this ground, my lord, Bidhan Saikia case that on the same set of charge and very recent charge, my lord, that was set aside, my lord. And this petition is retiring by, my lord, next February, my lord, and this is a trap case, my lord, under Section 7A of Anti-Corruption Act, my lord. And yes. Para 6, my lord. Yes.
It appears that in collective wisdom, the respondent authors have named Biran Saika, the executive minister Guwahati Hotel Consumer Society Limited, Faldomuza, as the witness number 2 in the disciplinary proceeding. The said witness, namely Biran Saika, is none other than the petitioner against whom disciplinary proceeding has been initiated. Therefore, there is absolute no doubt if the respondent proposed to examine the petitioner as witness against himself in the disciplinary proceeding, the petitioner would definitely suffer irreparable prejudice in criminal trial, where he is facing.
There is
no absolute bar as such, Mr. Das.
Yes.
No, yes, sir. Yes. Paul Anthony Go, the Bharat coal mine case, is that
So far as other issues are concerned, Lordship will issue notice to appoint. Only one issue is the reinstatement order. If review was not done there, Lordship will consider his reinstatement.
No, we are only considering the interim. Yes, ma'am. Notice, no issue.
There is no, to my knowledge, Lordship, there is no such bar that you cannot go simultaneously.
But he will be exposed to the. Yes, that's my question. Will be exposed.
No, that prayer he can take, Lordship, that keep abeyance the departmental proceeding and the criminal proceeding. But that is not part of the prayer, Lordship.
You have not paid for that.
He is only praying for sitting aside,
I
Lordship.
prayed for. Interim is there. Interim prayer is there. There is a prayer.
Interim prayer.
Interim. Yes. Heard. Okay, that's the petitioner who is working as an account officer in the subject from a Pokakar PhD division was arrested in STP PSS number 28 of 2023 under section 7 small a of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988.
My lord, may I make a small submission, man? My lord, the petitioner has submitted that he'll be retiring within next year. Therefore, my lord, that shows that there is some urgency in the matter, that the departmental proceedings also concluded in a timely manner. And unless they can show that there are some complicated questions of law and fact, they have not pleaded anywhere what are the complicated questions of fact and law.
The
Therefore, my lord,
charge appears to be almost similar. You have the powers to extend it. Doesn't matter. It is not that one person retires to he be exonerated or get absolved about that. And very well passed out for the purpose of the DP. He is deemed to be an employee. The case of the petitioner that based on the department proceeding has been initiated by a charge memo dated 9/10. Submit that if is made depend in current department proceeding common he suffered with criminal Charles Penal Council has also that criminal case is also a patient order. And therefore, that notice is issued by finance
And to forward.
in Nayak and Senic Council Finance by next 1, 2,
2, 3, 4.
and 4. Whereas a Burma said each excess notice of 5. That is the cost. 3. Last dinner council praise and interim. There, the law is that there is no bar for a department.
Lord, may I
Or-
submit, Lord? Just one line.
Lordship late, Lordship has already issued notice for Lordship. On the next day, your Lordship will consider the intent.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Only Stokos has been issued.
No, my lord. This is
Only
not,
Stokos has.
charge is given.
It was on only 9-10 Lord.
Even if we give this written statement of defense.
Yes, man. On Friday.
So that there is no bar for continuation. For initiation of continuation of a department. Only underground that a criminal. However, in that case where the charges are there some are put by the honorable in some case. In case of sentence, the honorable has also devised mechanism to put the department proceedings on hold for a period of 1 year. To enable the criminal case. It is considered law holding that the respondent authority cannot with the department initiated by the charge of 9 the effort is very motor how self subject to be considered on state of
Oblige, my lord. Deeply obliged.
you take this back. You have got the you have not got the main case. These are old cases.
My lord, yes.
So Roy, what is this?
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, she was working DC Qatar office, my lord, commissioner of divisional commissioner, my lord, office as a superintendent. Now he was, my lord, in the meantime, the post was abolished, my lord. Lordship may see order page 36, my lord. He was, she was promoted first, my lord, page 34. Superintendent.
Yes.
He was promoted first, my lord, 2012-2022. Page 34, my lord. To the post of superintendent, my lord. Divisional Commissioner Office, Kachar, my lord. Now, thereafter, my lord, the post was, the divisional office was abolished, my lord, and it was brought under district commissioner, my lord. Page 36, my lord.
You want a VRT considered or you want?
Actually, my lord, I got, my lord, so much of harassment, my lord. I am going to retire on 31/1/2024, my lord. Now, out of frustration, my lord, I applied for a VRS also on 1/8/23, my lord. Which
You are retiring on 31/10.
31/1, my lord. 31/1/24, my lord. But I am being harassed so badly, my lord, that I am not in a position to work under that circumstances.
So what do you want?
I want, my lord, my salary from the month of July, my lord. And the transfer order should be stayed, my lord.
How, my lord? She has already joined.
I joined. I want to create.
My lord, and she.
I joined and I applied for to create a post so that I remain in the DC office. There is no post of superintendent.
Is it possible to cater to the needs of a personal needs of an government service?
My lord, actually, my lord, there is no post in the circle office as superintendent, my lord.
Understood, but for one person, can a superintendent post be created? Under normal circumstances, this is not an extraordinary circumstance.
And my
Normal
lord,
movement.
all the staff remain in Kachar, my lord. Only I was posted out to Katigora, my lord, 30 kilometers away from my place.
My lord,
Lordship may see
When was this?
page 76.
When was this done?
This was done, my lord,
Lordship may see page 38, my lord. On 18/7,
July.
18/7/23, my lord.
Third, three, here, right, senior counsel for the the petitioner was working as a superintendent in the office of Commissioner Parag Velichan. She is to share on a leading case of superannuation on 31/1/2020. The office of the divisional commissioner, along with such of the entire state, was abolished by a notification dated 17/7/2020. And according to the staff according to the officers of staff of such office were placed in other offices.
Within Kachar, my lord, and
The petitioner, the case of the petitioner is that while the staff of office of the erstwhile Commissioner Parag Velichan were placed at Silchar jurisdiction,
this is
at
Commissioner-
certain offices at Silchar jurisdiction.
This is my lord.
The petitioner was placed at the Katikora Revenue Circle, which is about 30 kilometers from Silchar.
My lord, both falls under Kachar district.
I know 30 kilometers is not far.
But she is actually, now she is, my lord, 37 years working in the department at the fag end of hardly 3 months left for her service, my lord.
But that's not transfer. That whole officer there.
No, all of there, my lord, except the petitioner has been transferred to Katigora.
The office was abolished. Now
Officers,
it's not a case that she was transferred at the verge of her.
My place
Can't you place her in somewhere else?
nearby, my lord, also I'm ready to.
My lord, there has to be some post, my lord, in administrative.
They're also not.
The senior counsel that the petitioner being at the verge of her retirement from even her being faced by her by student action as a result of is not able to attend her and has also taken extreme step of ultimate turn has also taken final step of submission application voluntary that note on
But let's just on the reopening day, my lord.
on 8th of November. Is it
My lord,
possible?
10th, my lord, because during puja, my lord, this
On 14th of November, after Diwali, on 14th of November, are the state council
1 p.m. 5.
accept note on 1 p.m.
My lord, I'm
4
saying
also, 4 district commissioner, 4 also, why not? 1, 3, 4 and 5.
I'm applying for 220.
Or not 3, you were 1,
4 and 5.
1, 4 and 5.
1, 4 and 5.
My salary, my lord, from July, no salary because no head of the account.
Are you working or not?
Yes, I'm working.
Right. Please forget about the fact that this person has no such
Since July, I'm not paid.
right. The the direct look at
Yes, joint.
order.
Obliged, my lord. My lord, instead of 14, can it be, my lord, either 16th, my lord? Or 15th, my lord, 15th, 15th.
Here,
May I
your
proceed?
lordship, we'd like to seek some time because we have received just one particular letter. In fact, that was actually annexed with the decision itself. So, just now I received this particular picking order, but it's already annexed.
Three for three for this and 3 weeks time to obtain this.
Please, your lord. My lord, this is a case of departmental proceeding. The petitioner was working as a deputy manager in SBI, my lord. He was castigated, my lord.
You
Then
have filed your affidavit.
punishment
You
was
filed.
Yes, but I'm praying for an adjournment, your lordship.
No problem.
Lordship, I was in bereavement and only yesterday I have reached God.
No problem. After this. Heard. Keeping the program children from our statute is not conduct consider after
it- if possible.
third of
Well, on last occasion, the government
notice was issued.
notice was
Yes.
issued, my lord.
If it's an exception.
File affidavit.
No, your lordship, we like to file an affidavit and bring everything on record.
Let him file this third third and have to and you take a file for filing out.
My lord, it's an advertisement of 2021 for the constable post. So, my lord, date perhaps
In the third week of November.
obliged.
Two matters, my lord, finally is required to be heard, my lord, and maybe taken up after the vacation on a date, my lord. This is with regard to departmental proceeding, my lord.
Affidavit exchange.
Yes, my lord. Affidavit exchange, my lord.
Issue rule then.
My lord, let it be on admission, my lord, if possible.
What's your age?
Dismissal of service.
Age.
This special of service, his
Age.
age is 57 or I'm just checking, my lord. 55 years of age.
You will try for it.
Yes, my lord.
Third. Does that concept is doesn't take it for for
My lord, may I pray for the date? If any date, my lord, any convenient. Lord, fine.
Third week of November. my lord.
Deeply,
no, we'll have it first week of
fine, my lord.
Highly.
Just notice was issued.
Yes.
Affidavit filed.
Yes, I have filed my paper. 27.
And if yes,
Yes, Purva.
that has on the
Doctor, here basically I have challenged the two advertisement, doctor, whereby the post of Angan of the worker pilot exceeds 25%.
Affidavit we have filed. Updating is complete. It has to be hard, my lord.
is alleged that trial of
Pilot, then we have filed our affidavit pilot out. Let him start. I will.
like to go for a discussion.
It would require one thing. On the last occasion, this honorable court had said, although there are two orders of stay, two advertisements having been stayed, they still went ahead to promote. On the aspect of contempt, they are sought to give a reply. The entire reply is silent on the contempt part. I can address on the legal issues, I can give the facts, but perhaps. That order is 22nd of May 23.
Yes, what's your take on this?
They have not replied to that.
On the order of
My lord, on that we are yet to file any.
Have you made any appointments for the
Yes.
appointment also made?
Yes. Although it was stayed. They took two contrary stands, three stands. First of all, jumping over the orders of this honorable court, they went ahead with appointment. Now comes this notice, this order, which says it's clear case of contempt, say what you have to come to say. Prior to that, they filed an affidavit saying that the writ petitioner has no locus because he did not participate in the concerned selection process, whereas our case was the percentage which you have fixed for promotion is contrary to the guidelines, whatever is holding the field of the ministry.
On that we have
Now,
affidavit, my lord.
they have taken two contrary stands. The first stand is, I'm not paying for disposal. This 22/5/23, they have not responded on the face of it. And they have taken stands, each contrary to the other. First stand is that I have no locus because I did not participate for that. So I said, no, that is not even my case. Now they say, we're not even obliged to follow that. We have our own ways and means to do that without projecting under what basis they make the selection. I can advance my arguments on both counts, but at least they have to come upfront to say that why they have done so, on what basis they done so. They rely upon two articles, my lord, 73 and 309, to say that whatever notification is issued is not under the constitutional mandate. Agreed. But umpteen judgment followed into judgment which they are relying on record, even lordship judgment was also there, which would go to say there's a judgment of this honorable by your lordship saying that so far as the posts are concerned, whether it's a civil post or not, to that extent, we agree to it. They're not civil posts. But the thing is that the entire mechanism in which the posts are there in the scheme, how it
we
will
will have this for.
But yes,
If you want, you can address on this.
but
order.
22/5, they need to file an affidavit.
No, you cannot advise them.
No, I cannot. Sorry.
Will not advise them to fight. Court has made some drafts.
I would pray for suo moto contempt,
Findings.
drawing about suo moto contempt proceedings.
He has pointed out, who has also pointed out, and pointed out, who has also referred, he ordered 22/5, wherein court had made an observation that the action
respond during dependency of the state appears a clear case of context. He has also that to affect the but if as well this is for after it the response are required by further
May I pray for a date?
this one this is the for
Gotcha.
we'll have the course of
Grateful me. Ullas.
My my lord, the second round of litigation, my lord. The first round of litigation, this honorable court certified the rejection for compassionate appointment, my lord. On this same ground, they have again rejected, my lord.
file affidavit.
They filed affidavit, my lord.
Because delayed for 3 years penance.
There is no, my lord, stay order in that,
Doesn't matter.
and
All cases share with so within the receipt, this court has dropped the involved and in bill 287 of 2003. This is court of the by which any outcome out of
Respondent notaries are supposed to file their affidavit or else accused is regarding promotion. It's a respondent number 4, the Assam 10 tribes and the development corporation. The corporation. The issue is regarding promotion and non-payment of area salaries of amounting to rupees 4 lakh.
Yes.
Third.
Sir.
The Assam
Right.
No, 32. 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Regarding promotion or area salary.
This Plains Tribe Corporation.
Assam Development Corporation.
My lord, this is Mr. Sharma. Anshuman Sharma is the standing counsel. I am just for the department. So he has to be my lord. No.
Lordship.
His name is there. APTC, yes, his name is there. Assam Plains Tribe Development Corporation.
Lordship.
Those page as a card. Is absent by this of the
Lord. Good evening. Deep development. Maybe this matter I mentioned in the morning that I did not get a consent from the connected lottery. And Lordship, it was picked for disposal of by an order dated 28/7. But as today, 27 portion 28/7. But
what order as per order 9
Lordship, actually what had happened?
One of the petitioner has withdrawn and filed a separate petition as the cause of action was different. Regarding a separate petition number 1, today Lordship may pick any date for hearing, Lordship.
My case, my lord, next one. 34. They are pleased that on the basis of the I file an application for vacating stay. That is yet to be heard. But by this time, other cases are fixed for my lord final disclosure. My case is also.
We'll have it then, we'll get it after the,
There is an order to produce the record, but that
by whom? You.
no, there is
Or-
yes, Mr. Shutia was there. He,
Get the records on the next date, we'll pick.
my lord.
So there are applications for application of order. It appears that the other matters common. There is a direction for taking up the thing for final. So that these cases for admission on 4th of December.
Has to be on November, my lord, because
November. 20th of November.
My-
20th of November.
But if in these cases, no pleadings are extended. But that's the case.
There is what?
16.
In the meantime, you file.
no, no.
20th of November. They mean that pleadings to exchange. The Senate is also that to have record.
Interim order passed earlier. But
Lordship, I just missed out. My name may be recorded.
Come up with the next date. Pass the orders.
Yes, Lordship.
You appear next.
Just Lordship, the appearance may be recorded, Lord.
Pass the order.
Yes, Lordship. None appears. It's written as none appearance.
None appear, none had appeared. It's the wrong order.
No, Lordship. Just
We'll consider if it's signed, we can.
that's Lordship.
Young counsel, why are you late? Are you a senior counsel that you have busy in other courts? We are not acceding to this kind of request from a young. It's in the court.
I have to say.
And why do you make a mention of this nature? Merging in the court? Is it the procedure?
No, Lord. Actually, just
It's
I
not the
got-
procedure, madam.
I'm sorry.
Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for the time. Conducting counsel is in the
Who's the contact counsel? Who's
F.U.
the
Work, yeah. Mr. F.U. Work.
affidavit filed?
No, my lord. My
Your
lord, department will be providing us paragraphs comments
Which
within a
department you are,
FCI on behalf of BKC.
you filed your affidavit?
Yes, my lord, kindly grant us 6 weeks time.
We grant them time to file.
Right.
Then the counsel is supposed to grant to file the affidavit.
My lord, kindly 6 weeks.
Have 4 weeks.
No, Lordship.
What is this matter? Chaudhary?
my lord, my lord, this matter item 37 and 60.
Yes.
These are connected matters, my lord. We need, my lord, 4 weeks time to file our affidavit, my lord. In item 60 only last Friday, notice was issued.
Okay, we'll
Interim is there, my lord.
we'll extend it. Third page, the Chaudhary Counsel. You are in both the cases.
No, I am on item number 37.
And
It comes, it is,
see you are there. Your name Vida. And Vida. In your case, there's a report.
Yes, it will not.
Hard hot concept that is structure of it. And this of to allow to enable obtain no instruction test filing over the remote password continue to the next.
Make it your comply with that. Lord orders.
Each data of the that during pendency of this restriction, common the orders involved and which were subject matter of this contempt have been complied. Upadhyay and Upadhyay.
N upadhyay. Single N.
And Upadhyay.
Both the contempt.
Concept of responses. Submit. And this is in view of the close.
All right. Deeply all right.
Whatever.
Yes, it's been complied with as of now.
Notice issued or
Yes, they have appeared, my lord.
not? Name issued or not?
Gogoi, my lord.
P and Swami.
Yes.
Are whether
As per last order, my lord, you will find they have appeared before your lordship.
names are also
Names showing and they submitted before your lordship, recorded. It will be complete.
there is some doc. Have you seen this doc?
Yes, I have got the copy, my lord.
1980. There is some development.
Development means they are now at the stage of convening the meeting of the department, my lord.
So we will grant some. Those three people have seven council. None has appeared for this one. Yes, where are you, Mr. Gogoi? Contact matter.
I had a discussion with the deputy secretary. His name is in the list, but there has to be a meeting, which is
Now
not
this
sitting, my lord.
instruction of yours is of August 2020.
My lord.
Now we are in the mid of October.
My lord, what has happened? First, initially his name was considered, but now due to non-fulfillment of certain specific rules, my lord, it was
Three are
the government.
sorry, three Senate council appearing for this one. However, submit that the initiative instruction by communication 1980 has already been placed for court. He placed for further time to take the latest information of the status regarding consideration of the case of this October.
Any date, my lord, after 4 is
Get the information. We want matters to be.
My lord.
May I please your lordship?
Talk about this.
This is an order passed on 11/5/2022. On the last occasion, they are supposed to file an affidavit. And on.
Pertaining to forest department or what?
Yes,
What are the instructions?
My lord, a report has been called from the DF. Otherwise, a new earlier report is there. I would like to peruse this.
What was the direction?
Just to pass and speaking order, nothing on merits.
Just to
Why did
person.
you pass the order? What is the difficulty? Consider all the relevant factors.
My
Pass
lord.
the order. Why are you entailing yourself to contempt proceedings?
We are advising them, my lord, but they again
23
see the
matters,
report.
we are in 22 matters. 1 more year has passed. If you do not understand,
We have advised
we
them,
have
my
to
lord,
go in accordance with law.
Hello.
Have them call it, ask what's the reason of not complying.
my lord.
Only the speaking order has to be passed. Let him.
Well, we'll put some strictures. I'll make sure that it.
How create a collective council for the petition. Put the three collective council has appeared to respond. Respondent or respondent?
Respondent.
Then.
PCC.
Put the. It however appears that neither any affidavit opposition has been filed nor any step taken for compliance of the order by the order dated 11/5/2020 asked FDP 3023 of 2020, which is the subject matter of contempt, comma. While the writ petition was dismissed, comma, petitioner was given liberty to file a representative which was directed to be considered. Full stop. Such direction and in the opinion of this court, comma, there should not be any difficulty at all for compliance of the aforesaid direction, which requires a consideration before closing of the request. As the last opportunity, comma, 4 weeks time to the respondent for compliance, failing if constrained, to pass consequential orders as the written.
Okay.
The lordship, my lord, the service to respondent number 5 executive engineer, my lord, has not been completed. My lord, I may be allowed to put the service, my lord. Respondent number 1, my lord, appeared, but they did not file any response. Lordship directed to file response.
From one lord.
What about the others?
Lordship, I have not any instruction to appear for.
Lordship directed him to file a response, my lord, but
You filed a
Lord.
file three and but then office note date 26 reflect that neither judge or other has so far as response for file is concerned. Five was written on Saturday.
4-5 lordship impleted lord.
completed, my lord. First title has been amended.
Was
19/8/2023 as per office note, first title has been corrected. Ada kopi di lagi ni. Mana kopi?
put the get it there. What the After addition of parties, madam, did you file any amended process?
Yes, my lord.
You
As
filed,
per Office Note 19/8/2023, cost title has been corrected as per,
we have passed for it, but where is it for correct?
I have already filed, my lord, that copy is not available, but I have already filed. Cost title has been filed, my lord. As per amended cost title filed by the petitioner.
998.
এই copy এটা মনে হচ্ছে না, একটু cost title। কালকে তো office এ- This is the receipt, my lord.
There is an office for you have right to point out
Yes, my lord.
that amended page is not there, neither the no, 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 neither it is. Ms. Three day current council is according to directed express step. So far as number 5. Registered. Or in step
And I will be allowed for DOST service.
six step registered.
With
If it
Only respondent number
this
5,
is
my lord,
a
executive
matter,
engineer.
matter,
He is
registered
Sunap-
hospital.
his office is at Sunapur.
Take the register by 2 days. In the meantime, three, what may file affidavit. He's not going to may file affidavit on behalf of please Dr. Puri.
Lord.
Along with press service.
My lord, may I start DOST service?
Not at this moment. We'll
No, allow me to register first.
do register the contact man.
Not obliged.
Obliged, Lord.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, respondent 527 has filed their affidavit, so that we have also filed our reply. And service upon, we have directed to take step to dusty upon 4, we have filed our affidavit of.
4 is also over.
It may come up for admission.
The contesting response numbers 5, 6, and 7 have appeared.
Yes.
To take a letter and have also filed affidavit in opposition on 29/8, which was replied by way of a rejoinder by the petitioner on 19/9/20. Sri Sharma, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has also submitted that step by the state has taken up response number 4. And in that regard, an affidavit has also been filed. Service they continue help. This for after the
Well, can I get a date? Pending
Lordship,
since-
for proprietary from matter, Lordship, government's response is required, Lordship, because we have terminated his service, the petitioner's service on the basis of the report received from the
who
government.
are you?
I am for the oil India Limited.
Last week of November, 7th of the other response not filed. Obliged. Your phone revenue. Yes, sir.
Much.
File. Affidavit filed, Mr. Gupta.
My lord, we have sent affidavit of operation for vetting. So my lord,
In all these matters, all these three matters.
All these people.
Let them file the affidavit. Third, Sri A.K. Gupta, learned counsel for the petition. What was your
B. Bora, appearing on behalf of PK.
Ms. B. Bora, learned counsel appearing on instruction of his learning counsel FCM. However, submit that the affidavit of which has been sent for vetting and the filed shortly. This the second week of November 2020. By which time the affidavit of
Right.
same order.
Right.
May I please, Your Lordship, non-compliance of the order dated 26/2000.
You are appearing.
Yes, my lord, already bill has been heard, my lord, and
Which appeal?
order against this order 20
Appeal was at the division bench.
division.
And what is
It is
the
registered as the WN number 3
okay? It has been heard.
heard, my lord.
Then?
And but no order has been passed.
Judgment is reserved.
Reserved.
What is the matter about, madam?
Lordship,
What was the direction?
direction was given in page number 12.
What was it?
Lordship, in page number 18, Lordship, may I read as it is mandatory as per the provision of the Rule 27C within bracket 1 of the CRPF Rule 1955 to save a copy reduce of the successes of the accused reduced from the of a written search to the served to be
Okay,
served on the delinquent and it
Okay,
having
we have let's wait for a third. Ms. R. Kakuti, learned counsel. Sri A.K. Dutta, learned counsel for the respondent, however, that writ appeal filed against the order that 26, which is the subject matter of contempt, has been heard and judgment served. Indeed, the list of no, list it is not list second week of November.
May I please? Lordship, may kindly come to at page 49, Lordship.
Contempt matter.
Yes, Lord.
Have appeared or not? Oh, first time.
First time, most of
49.
49. Property part, Lordship, page 50, 50. Bottom part, Lordship.
Pendency shall not be a far consideration. Yes.
But Lordship, I'm concerned, Lordship, the respondent authority already 6 numbers of Anganwadi supervisor have been appointed, Lord.
Where is the contempt? Where is the direction? That is the direction. You have said that pendency shall
Lordship,
not be a bar.
Lordship, here direction, that's only, Lordship. Pendency shall not be barred
That is not a direction.
for consideration of the case, the petitioner, which, however, has to be done strictly in accordance with law. Thereafter, Lordship, in July month, the
That's a different
respondent
cause.
authority 6 numbers of
That's a different cause of action.
case, Lord.
File a separate written and third case from submit that there is a violation of the order the 9th caused by FP 2549 the subject matter of the petition was not the of the case of the petition to the post of supervision from country for court by the quick had made an observation that cannot be about for that by some other person and the petitioner has left. This court has, however, noticed that there was right, but there was no such right but to authority for a the order 9 the submissions made by the council that other companies have proposed give right press for the but would not enter from the next concept. With liberty have to challenge the promotion made to any other company.
Maybe. This is content marketing, her husband was working as an APBN Millard, and during his service period.
Where is the order? Where is the order?
So, kindly see page 10 Millard.
10.
Page 10, paragraph 5.
Yes.
Accordingly, we direct the Commandant 7 APPN sponsor Millard to consider the representation of the petitioner dated sponsor and arrive at his decision factual satisfaction by examining the medical documents of the deceased husband of the petitioner as to whether her husband was seriously ill, which was also.
Where is the representation?
Next page, Millard. Kindly see
Page 12.
My lord, yes.
Hard to receive when it comes for the petitioner who has complained about non-compliance of the order date 12/12/2020 passed by the court in W45/2022. The receipt has also referred representation date 25/1/2020, which was submitted in terms of state judgment. However, no action has been taken to consider the same as part of the directive of that notice. But except the receipt by model.
Minor.
One is
My pleasure. Lordship, this is a contempt matter, Lordship. May kindly come to at page number 10, Lordship. Operative part, Lordship, page 12. Paragraph 5, Lord. As regards the second period, the petitioner to submit a representation before the circle officer, Kausalmar Revenue Circle, claiming his salary, and the circle officer to pass a
I
reasonable
will
order
file
on
the
the same.
representation.
Yes, Lordship.
No action taken.
Page 13, Lord.
No action taken.
Lordship.
Your
K. Islam, Lord.
case.
K. Islam.
Case. You cannot require but the case from the council. Who by means of complaint of by the state order, the petitioner was required to submit a representation regarding his salary, which was directly considered bypassing a region order. Right circle of Sarah. Reference is the representation 5
2020.
submitted which has not registered tomorrow.
Deep level.
Office note dated 4/10/2020. The service is awaited.
Hello, I am appearing in WPC 1819. I am appearing for respondent number 8 and 16.
The private respondent.
Yes, my lord. And in the 1804, I am appearing
Your
for
file
respondent
affidavit.
number 20.
File affidavit.
My lord, no, I'll put no.
Will you file affidavit?
Actually, my lord, this is covered. It's covered by division bench judge.
Which one?
This matters.
This present matters.
No, no, which one? Which one?
That Bhagwan
That
Patter.
Bhagavan Patter DB matter.
It's a
My learned friends,
reservation issue.
Reservation issue.
they are, my lord, trying to project that our plea was rejected by division bench. But I'll say, my lord, division bench has rejected their. Therefore, these cases are covered.
So if you want, you can file affidavit. Otherwise, if you think that you can
Okay, we'll file an affidavit.
better file
Yes,
affidavit.
yes, yes. In
For
fact,
tomorrow, the questions of
very well.
file.
Correct, correct.
And what about the official response? And in the other one, who's appealed?
Parties
He
yet
was the same-
private risk.
It was the same petitioner in the DB case.
Yes, my lord. Bhagwan Patter was the same person. My lord, here in my lord, a new OM has come in, my lord, 18/1/2023. That is on the check.
Actually, my lord, 3H16 and 18/1/23, they are same. And 3H16 clause 4 has been upheld by division.
Office heard H. Pitala, Senate Council. Petitioner. Right. Which one? Office note.
4/10.
Office note. Office note dated 4/10/2020 reflects that few of the private respondents have not been served. The service report upon few of the private respondents are still awaited. In the meantime, the KN Chowdhury Council has appeared for respondent numbers
8 and 16.
8 and 16 in WPC
1819
1819 of 2020
and respondent
And
number 22 in
and
18.
place for 4 weeks time to file the affidavit. No, no, and submit that the involved has already been decided by the Honorable Division Bench in WA
I'm giving, my lord.
Twenty-
Writ appeal number 46 of 23.
46 to 20, and the same would cover this case. He, however, placed and is granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit.
Similar matters are hearing on 7th of November. Sir. All similar matters relating to this litigation. Maybe on
Vetala has informed the court that similar matters are fixed on
7th of November.
7th of November.
Yes.
Put up. There are at least these cases on 7th November along with update service report.
My lord, may I pray, my lord, instead of 17, let it be after 15, my lord. Because lots of our matters.
This is 7.
Yes,
7 to
matters on here. So he might be
No,
Senior
but those matters are coming on 7th.
7th. Those are
So we'll have this on 7th and then 15th.
And you
take
need
that prayer on
please
7th.
Then it fixed on 7th.
Yes.
Somebody can take a request.
Yes, yes.
7th is court probably will also not.
Yes. Deep level.
deeply obliged.
Along with WP,
My lord, that are 363 of 2023. WPC number 363 of 2023.
23.
Yes, ma'am. That is the leading case. That is the big number.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, service is awaited in respect of respondent number 5, lordship.
PP.
No, lordship, I am for the respondent number 3, lordship. Guwahati High Court. District and SCJ. District and Session Judge, lord. Kubur.
This is appointment of PP.
Yes.
Appointment of PP, lordship.
R5 is waited. Service.
Yes, lord.
Who is for the government? The last document is a Mazumdar.
Yes, we have filed a affidavit.
You are for 4.
No, lordship, I am for respondent number 3, lordship.
No. The 4.
My
4 is filed affidavit.
lord, we have filed 4 has filed affidavit.
File respondent number.
And also, lordship, a similar matter was pending and it is already fixed but not yet listed. So kindly take this matter.
They're taking it. Put this up. Pass the order. Respondent number 4 has filed on and the respondent number 3 has also appeared. Through your name?
NK Sharma.
Through NK Sharma. Service report upon respondent 5 is awaited as such notices were on 8/9. As 5
Oh,
5 is
respondent
awaited.
5, yes.
List after 4 weeks from press service. In the meantime, respondent was also filed.
Lordship, in this matter, we have not had extra copy.
Current counsel for the petition is Director of Sharma. Current counsel.
Deeply
Name filed.
Please, your lordship. Petitioner is absent, your lordship, and on last occasion, your lordship has passed an order that if on next date the petitioner remains absent, then the effective order will be passed.
Non-evidence for the on call. Where is your name?
P. Agarwal.
P.
Agarwal.
Where is P. Agarwal? This is the matter of 2012 where the petitioner found call the last book and it is effect on 10 following was passed. Then the
Much obliged, lord.